A VPN encrypts your internet traffic. This means that no one can see what you do on the internet, and it also ensures that you remain almost anonymous from prying eyes. A VPN can also help you access geo-restricted content. This means that it can help you watch Netflix and Hulu abroad, as well as access other streaming services that might be banned in your country. It is also a good way to prevent cybercriminals from tracking your online activities, so it will protect you on public Wi-Fi networks too. In this video, we are going to discuss about the security of VPN and how it can protect your data. But before starting the video, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. A VPN is like taking a subway, or that you can avoid bumping into unassuming people on the street. Let's say you're traveling from point A to point B, and normally take the car on the surface. Any person who sees this car can easily find where you are going because it leaves a trail for them to follow. People can both see who's in the car and where the car is going. This is what a typical internet connection looks like as far as your internet traffic and information are concerned. This is how VPN works. Your data and identity are encrypted, so you travel on the web, so nobody can steal them. They also secure your internet service provider from seeing anything you do online. This is a technique that is commonly used, especially now, to make remote work more secure. Remote workers can access data on the private network and use this to do their jobs from homes. This protects the business from external threats like hackers. A good VPN helps boost your online security, but how well does it protect your data? It depends on a number of different factors. It's important to define the word protect before saying anything else. There are many different aspects on your business that needs protecting. A VPN function is to prevent your history and internet connection from being snooped on by criminals. If you're a freelancer, then you might use a VPN like NordVPN to avoid being dinged by the government for working or registering in a different country. If you need to access your company's VPN so that your work can be done, then you'll use it for the familiar protection of having a private connection. These are just some of the reasons that people might use a VPN. Many tourists also use them because they don't want their online searches or locations to accidentally leak when they're browsing from different countries. That's basically it. You can still download spyware, malware, and/or viruses while you're using a VPN, especially if you visit a malicious website or allow in infected files. A VPN isn't necessarily a secure type of privacy software. The security of a reliable VPN depends on the protocols used, with some types more secure than others. One example is point-to-point tunneling, which has been easily compromised. PPTP is not the best option for privacy, but it's a common one. To further ensure protection, I suggest using only OpenVPN protocol, with L2TP/IPsec and PPTP protocols being used as needed. Others, like CyberGhost or WireGuard, are considerably more secure due to the ciphers that are in place to protect them. NAXYM can assist you with your VPN in selecting a provider and implementing that solution that best fits your business's needs. There is far more to consider than what we've covered here, so make sure to give us a call and talk to our team. Give us a call at 310-870-8999 today. So, this is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.